Hi, my name is Frank, and today I'll be teaching two mathematical reasoning questions. In these questions, I'll be trying to teach you some basic principles of algebra, and especially how to find one unknown variable and how to solve the question. So, I think that using these algebraic principles is really helpful because it makes solving the question easier and much cleaner when dealing with complicated questions. So let's get on to the questions. Question 1. Robbie, Jan, and Luke together have 32 marbles. At the start, Robbie had double the number of marbles that Luke had, and Luke has 4 more than Jan. If Robbie decided to give up some of his marbles so that Jan has double the amount Luke has, how many marbles did Robbie give away? So first, we need to try find the unknown. We need to try find how we can make it into one unknown variable. To do this, we have to choose one, either Robbie, Luke, or Jan to be the unknown variable. In this case, I'm gonna choose Luke because it has links to both Robbie and Jan that will make this much easier to solve. So let Luke equal x. When I say let Luke equal x, I mean let the amount of marbles Luke has equals x. And then from here we can make equations for Robbie and Jan. Robbie has double the amount of marbles that Luke has. So Robbie equals 2x. And Luke has 4 more than Jan. So Jan equals x minus 4. So now that we have their equations, we can try find x because we only have one unknown variable now. We know that if we add up Luke, Robbie's, and Jan's marbles together, they have 32 marbles, as it states in the question. So if we write that out, plus x minus 4 equals to 32. We can simplify this further, so 4x minus 4 equals to 32. So now we need to try isolate the x. To do this, we can plus 4 to both sides because this gets rid of this minus 4 here. So 4x equals to 32 plus 4, 36. And now we can see that x equals to 36 divided by 4, so x equals to 9. And Luke's marbles equals to 9. So now that we know what x equals, we can find out how many marbles Robbie and Jan have. So Robbie equals 2x, so that equals to 18. And Jan equals x minus 4, and that equals to 5. So the question isn't finished yet. The question asks, if Robbie decides to give up some of his marbles so that Jan has double the amount Luke has, how many marbles did Robbie give away? Not how many marbles Luke has. So don't get tricked. Well, to do this, we have to find how much marbles Jan needs now. So Jan needs 2 times the amount of Luke. So that's 2 times 9. So x equals 18. But Jan right now only has 5 marbles. So Robbie needs to give her 18 minus 5 marbles, which is 13 marbles. So therefore the answer would be 13. So the answer would be A. Okay. So now on to the next question. To find the right measurements for a new doghouse, Mary was meant to divide the number by 4 and then multiply it by 6. However, instead she divided the number by 16 and multiplied it by 12 and got 60. The question asks, what was the end number meant to be? So, first we need to find the original number. To do this, we know that the original number was divided by 16. Let's call the original number x. So let original number equal x divided by 16 and multiplied by 12 equals to 60. Equals 60. This way we can find out what x is. So x over 16 is actually equal to 60 divided by 12 because we can if we divide both sides by 12, we can find x divided by 16. So x divided by 16 equals to 60 divided by 12. And that also equals to equals to 5. So, now that we know x divided by 16 equals 5, we can find out x. If we times 16 to both sides, this way it gets rid of this 16 here, we can find out what x is. So x equals to 16 times 5, which is equal to 80. So now we know the original number, which is 80. So now we can find out what the answer for the question. What was the end number meant to be? The original x is supposed to be divided by 4 and then times by 6. And then we get the answer. So now x equals 80. So it's 80 on 4 and then times 6 equals answer, which is 20 times 6 equals answer. And therefore 120 is equal to the answer. And so we can see that the answer is B, 120. Okay, thank you. And remember to like and subscribe and share the video to other people. Thank you.